equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively open your laptop without causing any damage. First, power off your HP 15BB and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. This is crucial to prevent any electrical issues while you work on the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the screen cable, which is typically connected to the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, gently disconnect the old screen cable from the motherboard. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once the old cable is removed, take your new screen cable and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely in place. After connecting the new cable, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Before you power on your laptop, double-check that everything is connected properly. If you have any doubts, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about any further assistance you might need. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your HP 15BB. If the screen displays correctly, congratulations! You've successfully connected the screen cable. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device serviced right from home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.